Working in Notepad at night and finding the bright white screen a little harsh, you can switch to a darker interface for a more comfortable look. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Notepad, how to switch it back, and what to do if your version doesn't show a dark theme option. First, open Notepad on your Windows PC. Look toward the top right area of the window and select the Settings button, usually shown with a gear icon. This opens the Settings panel where you can adjust Notepad's appearance. Inside Settings, look for the App Theme option. Depending on your Notepad version, you may see choices such as Light, Dark, or Use System Setting. Select Dark if you want Notepad to stay in dark mode regardless of the Windows theme. Now select Dark. Notepad should immediately change its interface to a darker appearance. You'll notice the menus and editor area become dark, while the text remains easy to read against the background. Yeah, it's a simple change, but it can make late-night editing feel much more comfortable. If you prefer Notepad to follow Windows automatically, choose Use System Setting instead. Windows lets you select Light, Dark, or Custom under Settings, Personalization, and Colors. With the system option selected, supported apps can follow the Windows appearance you choose. To return Notepad to its normal bright appearance, open Notepad Settings again and change the app theme back to Light. If you're using the system setting, switch Windows back to Light instead. The change should apply without affecting the text or files you've created. If you don't see an app theme option, your Notepad version may use the Windows theme instead, or the feature may differ in your build. In that case, open Windows Settings and check Personalization, then Colors and select Dark. Also make sure Windows and Notepad are up to date. The exact menus can vary slightly between versions. And that's how you enable dark mode in Notepad. Use Notepad's app theme setting when it's available, or let Notepad follow your Windows theme. It's quick to switch and you can always return to light mode later. So if you spend a lot of time editing text at night, give dark mode a try. Thanks for watching.